Okay, fam, it was nice, quick, and easy. As you can see, that diverter, the stopper is like, or the rubber piece that go in there is just gone. So obviously, that's the reason why water is not flowing out the way that it, or being stopped the way that it should. So that's that piece. Everything else is still in play. As you can see now, you can just lift that up out of there. I just simply, all I did was took one of these pieces and kind of pried it apart. Sorry, bad camera angle. Took one of these pieces. My bad, I forgot. It's supposed to be like this. Y'all know I ain't a professional with this. Took the needle nose plier and grabbed that. Just kind of pried it apart. Needed two hands. Pulled the that up out of there. So, all right. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the other one out. Make sure that they line up right. They fit about right. Throw that. Put this one back in. Put the little rubber piece in there and all of that. And then instead of using this, I'm gonna see if I can reuse this. Because actually, they kind of match. So, and I'm thinking that I should be able to. That shouldn't be a problem. They look like they'd be about the same, distance from here and on there. Thinking they'll line up fine. But look, in other words, all I'm saying is what I thought was going to be a long, extensive project, and a more expensive project can be handled quick and easy with the right stuff. All right. So I'm just going to do that, put it back together, and then I'll let y'all see the finished product. Let y'all see this shower running right. All right. Be back. Okay, fam. I'm back. What I did was I was going to try to put that one up in there, but it wasn't fitting right, and I'm really tired. I don't feel like fooling with it a whole lot. So I just took the little washer part out that was in there, the little black washer out, and put it in the one that came out of there, that blue one that came out of there. And so here we go. So that's my tub. Let me take this down. I don't want water to get all on my phone. There we go. Now we got good water flow and very little coming out of that faucet part. I can deal with that. Now I should be able to have a nice, enjoyable shower. And what originally looked like it was going to be a major ordeal, cutting pipes, taking pipes off, and all this, that, and the other, really turned out to be just a simple 5-minute fix with the right stuff. Actually, if I would have knew that, I probably could have saved myself $4.99, or $4 anyway, and probably just bought a 99-cent washer. This little kit wasn't nothing but $5, so I'll keep it for spare parts, whatever. You know what I'm saying? You never know. So that's it. Quick and easy way to fix a tub shower diverter without tearing up the whole house. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll see y'all in the next video. I don't know, with me, the adventure will continue. Later.